Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we have the first VRS design case. I've got 5 of these to show you, and this one is the QuickStand Pro S. As you can see there, and I cracked the seal on all these ahead of time because there's a lot of cutting in these boxes. So the good part about these devices are they come with a tempered glass. Now, I'm wondering if it's like the other tempered glass from what's the name, from Whitestone Dome, where it doesn't go all the way out. Yeah, this one might be a little bit better, but you do get a tempered glass with it, and that's really good. You can get some instruction manuals, tells you what you're doing with it, how to get it done. Bum, bum, ba-dum. All right, so Bo, this is a competitor to the also famous Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is a competitor to them, and I think you'll probably find that this is extremely competitive to them. It has it's like it's got the design of the Unicorn Beetle Pro, just in a different form factor with the kickstand and everything. Other than that, this seems to be the pretty much identical case here. And then with their pin, you slide down like this to get to your pin. I do like this design, I will tell you that. I like being able to slide down. Let me get my pin here. I like being able to slide down and put the pin in like this. That's actually pretty crazy right there. I like that. So let's go ahead and put this on here. And you put it on the same way you do. You open the case up, and they have you snap it on like this. But you actually want to put this side on first, by the way, but I was so excited. All right. And there's got a lot of spring to it, but yeah, theirs has a nice little spring to it too. So keep that in mind when you do this. Now, this looks to be a little, okay, I was about to say, man, it looks to be a little off center, but no, we're good to go. So on the back here, obviously you have the kickstand where you can pop it up. You can have your device popped open watching a movie, and it is fully supported. I like that. You've got some VRS branding right here. It says VRS design right there, pretty nice. And on the top here, you have all ports. Now this is where this cases like this come in handy. They need to really be set right, or the microphones will be covered. So you got the ports open there, you got your microphones completely open there. On this side here, you have the fingerprint reader and volume rocker open. On the bottom, you need these 3 ports open right here. And this is a smoother case than you might think. It has a rugged looking design, but it's actually a pretty smooth case. Let's check wireless charging. And wireless charges. All these, and the reason I'm surprised that a lot of these cases wireless charge is because they are thick. You want to get to your S Pen. The slide out is dope though. I got to give it to them. The slide out is actually really nice. I'm feeling the slide out in the back there, and I like the spring on this case versus the sub case Unicorn Beetle Pro. But nonetheless, let's get on to another case here. Let's go to another case here. I'm gonna pop this one off here. I'm gonna show you 5 cases in this video. So kick back, buckle in, and we're gonna get this thing going here. Sorry for my sniffles, folks. It just came on all of a sudden right before I clicked this video. So this next one is the QuickStand Pro. That was the S model. This is the regular Pro model. Again, tempered glass in tow. Now this one is the one without the S Pen. So okay, I see how they got it going. They pretty much mimicked the Unicorn Beetle Pro, which it's not a bad thing. You know, it's just a matter of when something's good. You know, it's good. Now, one thing I like about these cases here, they take it. Oh, look at the slot right here for your. And this one has it too. Yeah, that one has it too. I didn't. My bad for missing that. But you know, you have your side gestures. This one has the slot for it. So this also has a nice little soft touch on there too. So yeah, that's pretty nice. That's looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I'm feeling it. But on the front here, when you want to get to your gestures, it's got the little thing right there. I feel you, I'm feeling it. Lots of lip protection on here, face down. You don't even really need a screen protector, but you should put one on there anyway because they give you a tempered glass. And this one has the same framing as the official Samsung cases. So you get all of your display. And just for reference, I'm going to drop one of these tempered glasses in here. Let's go ahead and drop one on real fast, because I really would like to leave a tempered glass on here if I could. And then I'll check wireless charging. All right, come on, buddy. All right, and I hate these ones that's on so tight. It's been in the box so long. Okay, there we go. All right, just gonna drop this in here. So it's not really level. It's case friendly, basically. That's what they're doing. It's case friendly, because this one here, well, I'm gonna let it seal up, but it's enough to where it's you have enough room, basically. I like how that sucks to the glass. Yeah, but this one has enough room, basically, is what they're doing on here. And I definitely didn't level it out, but I wanted to test it out just to see what it would be like. And that's a nice tempered glass, and I don't see anything wrong with it. So it definitely should work. I mean, if you got a case manufacturer and they're giving you a tempered glass, the glass better work good with the actual case itself. So yeah, it's on there. It doesn't go all the way up, but it's better than the Whitestone Dome glass. It's actually pretty fire. All right, so you're fully protected now. All right, so I'll leave this glass on for the remainder, but this is the QuickStand Pro. Let's pop this open here. Let's get this back portion off. Get this top portion off. Yeah, it's looking pretty. They're doing the doggone thing. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay, a brief intermission there. I had to get cleaned up, but here we are now back with the QuickStand Modern Pro. So we'll check this one out here. And again, remember, all of these are probably going to have a tempered glass, which I think is hot because you can never have too many tempered glasses. And this one will probably be oh no, this is not what oh yeah, I remember this one. This is a nice case. So check this out, folks. This is the one with the pin on this side. Now this was kind of a design that a lot of people adapted when they when they got around the Fold 3. There was a lot of cases that came out with this design right here. That's hot. This is a nice setup. Obviously your pin is exposed, but that's not really something that's going to be so bad on you where you can't, it'll get banged up or anything like that. But this is a real sleek case, and I definitely kind of like having it on that side, but there's that thing where it sticks out. See how that sticks out like that? So a lot of people don't really like that, but it's a thing. If either you get used to it or you won't get used to it. One of the two. So I like that it has a little bit of VRS design logo right there on the front side. You definitely have faster access to your pen, but you sacrifice, the thickness on that side of the phone. When we look here, you got all ports and everything lined up just perfectly fine. Come along this side, again, quick access to the S Pen now, and then fingerprint reader and power button. And it actually works well. You just have to kind of jam your finger. I got big hands, but it works well. And then on the bottom here, you've got all ports lining up as they should. And again, the hinge is exposed. And you have a kickstand. I like that they put kickstands on a lot of the devices now, because a lot of these things are for media consumption. These are for media consumption. So you should be able to sit your phone up on a desk or a table or wherever you're at and watch a good movie if you want to kill time. Wireless charging. All good. So yeah. And just looking at this screen protector, it's good. It's working right along. Only thing I would do is probably let me turn on the front camera here. Yeah, the only thing I would probably do is adjust it up. It's fine though. I mean, yeah, it's fine. So I mean, I would have centered it a little better. But yeah, other than that, this is a nice case. This is a tried and true design here for those that do a lot of S Pen work and you're not in just this area where you just feel like you might drop the phone a lot. This is definitely an option here. So let's go ahead and move on to the next case here. Let's get this off here. Okay. All right. Next case, the Terra guard. Now this is one that is and they're showing, I'm demoing a lot of their heavy duty cases here, but they do make some other cases. And again, tempered glass in tow. That's nice. It's really nice that they have that. And this is that mint color. Yeah, this is a nice color right here in person. You might think you might not like this color, but this is a very nice color in person, folks. It really is. I've seen this on video and I thought, wow, that's a sleek color. Depending on what color your phone is, I mean, it's like a green color. It's very sleek, very nice. It pops because you got the two-tone or whatever, but it's nicer in person than it might look on video. So again, all ports and everything line up here. Fingerprint reader, volume rocker open, that two-tone look there, and you got all ports on the bottom, and then you get that nice hinge coverage right there, and some VRS branding design. This is really, and I like the design on the back right there with the VRS. This is actually a really sleek case, folks. It doesn't make the phone any bigger, and you get hinge protection. So obviously wireless charging, we're going to check that because you know it's going to work. Is it on? Oh, I turned it off. There we go. There we go. Wireless charging. So that works. This is a sleek case, folks. Very nice. I think you'll probably really like that one. Some people might not be too fond of that color, but I think if you look at it in person, you'll be really happy with it, man. I mean, it's one that you have to see in person. Now, last case I'm going to show you right here is the Terra Guard Active, and we're going to go ahead and pop this open. Again, remember, tempered glass in tow. I think that's hot that they're giving you everything in the box, man. That's just fire. Like, you can't even get things. You can't get companies to give you everything now. So the fact that they put tempered glass in each one is the hotness. All right. I've been touching my fingerprint reader too much. It's like, you got to wait 30 seconds. It's a good security feature. Remember, always put the front part on first. Don't be like me. This goes on first. Like that. And then this back portion goes on like this. And then there it is, the Terra Guard. This is a really nice case. This is like, between this one and the mint one that I showed you just now, this is hot. This is hot right here. There's so much texture on here. This just feels really good. And the phone doesn't feel bulky at all. I'm telling you, this is fire right here. This is nice. And that's a nice tempered glass too. So taking a look at the top here one last time. You got all ports and everything lining up. You got volume rocker and fingerprint reader. The rear side of the case here, you've got everything there. You got a beautiful design on the back. Looks way more industrial than what it really is. But it, in fact, it's really, really nice. Now, again, these last two don't have kickstands, but I'm telling you, you'll really like these, man. You'll really like them. Wireless charging. Works. I don't use wireless charging, but a lot of people said, Jay, you need to start showing us that if a case of wireless charge. So there is the entire suite from VRS for the Z Fold 4 lineup. I will have a link to all of these down below, so hit that link in the description to pick up one of these. This has got to be my favorite, man. This one and that mint one. Oh, man, I'm loving it. It's your man, Jay. I'm out.